Lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. I'm ready for church. It's the start of a new vlog. I'm about to put on my ring for the day and I would like to wear something new. So I just got this ring from FANCI Me. Packaging is immaculate. Proper unboxing will be on the side of the video, but this is how it comes. It also has a certificate of authenticity as well. I mean, this is all the way from Hong Kong, Tokyo. So this is what the box looks like. Oh, so they sent me two pieces to try out. First off, this ring, you guys, I absolutely love it. It's stunning. Bless this in Jesus' name. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I absolutely love it. And they've also sent me this necklace. This is a cross and it is a really long necklace. This is the only gold thing I'll be putting on, and that's just to complement my smart ring. And that's it. That's what it looks like. You guys, I'm rushing. I have to go now. On my way to church. Remember to go to church. Remember, don't be packing Sunday shifts. I've told you people time and time again. Anyway, you guys, thank you again to FANCI Me for sponsoring this segment of the video. You guys know I'll not be throwing away this box. No. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the course of the vlog. I will put my full feet on the side. So I need to be mobile again this week. So I will be in a different department. See you guys. Sweaty. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a lovely space here. My name is Tola. I am welcoming you. If this is your first time stopping by on the channel, I love to welcome new people. Anyway, today I am taking you on what I got in our grocery haul for the next 2 weeks to 1 month. Some of them are going to spill over to a couple of months. Some of them we're just going to use for a couple of weeks. So if you're new here, we are a family of 4 and this is some of the things we consider a staple in the house. This does not necessarily have any veggies in it. It's just freezer items mostly and 1 or 2 condiments. All right, without much ado, I went to Farmfoods as usual. The OGs on the channel know this content. And I also went to Lidl. So those 2 shops. So far, this is what we were able to get. All right, so for those who know why I love to go to Farmfoods, it's because of the deals. Really nothing much. So I got this Qualico chicken. These are the chicken thighs. I got 2 for £15, and I also picked up the chicken wings. This is the drumlets part, and 2 packs of this as well. Altogether I have 4 packs of chicken there. These are going to be portioned up and kept in the freezer. I also picked up a whole chicken from Lidl, and yeah, this is also going into meal prep. I will probably show you how I prepare that in subsequent vlogs. I've also picked up some lollies for the boys. I have this fruit twists and the mango flavored lolly that they like. So there's 2 kinds there. This was 2 for £3 and change or something. I can't remember how much it was. I also picked up some chicken dippers, and these are the battered ones. This came in a combo, so this is 3 for £10, I think. I also picked up some chips. These are like staple, like I said. The boys have this almost every other day. So chips for the boys, that came in a combo as well. 3 for £10. I got some condiments, some ground white pepper, and I also got some vanilla extracts. I got some scampies for the boys. I tried these out with them. a couple of weeks ago and they didn't seem to mind. This is the equivalent of chicken nuggets. So it's either give them this is the seafood equivalent of chicken nuggets. So it's either give them this or this with their chips or with noodles or things like that. I also picked up a pack of this Atlantic cod fillets. These are so nice in your fish stews. They're also nice to just fry and batter up. Very lovely fish. I also got some liver, lamb liver. I want to make fried rice in a couple of days. I also got my shrimps. The OGs on the channel know these shrimps. I get them every time from Farmfoods. These came in a combo of 2 for £30 or 1 for £19. It didn't make sense to buy one, so I bought 2. Anyway, I picked up some cookies for the boys. I have 3 packs here. This should last them for a week and a half or 2 weeks. We'll see how that goes. And we also got some lean meat. I got the 5% one and I picked up 2 packs of that. Down here I have some red onions and these are purple onions. I don't know why I'm joining people to call it red onions. And I also got some garlic as well. Now for our Fit Farm section, I picked up some flaked almonds. These are to go in like oats and wheat bix and porridge and that. So there's 2 packs of them. I also have some hazelnuts here. I only picked up 1. These are the peeled ones. I kind of like them with their skin on because it's extra crunchy, but I only got 1 pack of that. Some sultanas. These are natural sweeteners. I love them. I got some canned tuna. These are tuna steaks with olive oil or the sunflower oil in them. I got 3 of them for my tuna salads. I also picked up some spring onions. These are for meal preps, for spices and that. I picked up some cucumber. These are majorly for my tuna salad. I picked up some cheese because the boys are into wraps and like grilled wraps and things like that. I got some golden syrup. This goes in our yogurt. I also put these in like my porridge and things like that when I don't want to use sugar. I also got some Greek yogurt. I got 2 tubs of that. I picked up some dishwasher salt just to keep the dishwasher running. I got some mayonnaise. This is the only mayonnaise that I love in this country. It's the Element one. Someone told me to try Tesco's, but I haven't tried that one yet. Anyway, I also picked up some ketchup as well. That's to go with chips and all of that. I got some extra virgin oil. This I cook with, and some Ribena. I picked up 2 of that because I didn't find the big bottle. And then I picked up some Ben & Jerry's. These are predominantly for me because I don't like any other kind of ice cream. So I picked up 3 tubs of that. And yeah, that's everything. That's everything really. There's really nothing much to this haul. So altogether, this was almost 200. And I dare say that this is quite expensive because it never used to be this bad. I mean, going to Farmfoods, I would ideally spend roughly around 100 or 80 pounds. But this shopping from Farmfoods alone was roughly about 140, and in Lidl I spent 52 pounds for all of these things. So roughly what you're looking at here is about 200 pounds, which is, in my opinion, is a lot for this amount of produce. So what do you guys think in the comment section? Are there things that you also like to get? Do you think you could have gotten it cheaper elsewhere? Please, I love to know. That's why I create content like this, so I can compare prices and also get the best deals like you guys.
I think it's safe to say that China is the manufacturing hub of the world. If it exists, there's a 97.6% chance that it was made or at least sourced from China, right? Now here's the thing, most of us only ever see the manufactured product, like the finished product. But what if I tell you that there is a site where you can connect directly to manufacturers? It's called madeinchina.com, and it's not just for big time buyers or importers. It's for people like you and me. Small business startups, side hustlers, or just curious night owls like you and me.
Now here's a sample of what I got from Made in China. The products came in such great condition. They also came on time, which was really good. I was also able to keep in touch with the customer care representative who let me know how far my product had come in regards to delivery and ETAs. Here on the website, you can see all the list of products that they have. They have a wide range of products to choose from, so browse through and see what appeals to you. You're also able to click on product and have a chat with the supplier. You can also request for samples here. It's such a great platform. You should check it out.
Whether it is tech gadgets, beauty tools, home upgrades, packaging supplies, you name it, they have it. I'm not just telling you about it. I tried it out for myself and I actually got some products. To be honest, I didn't know what to expect, but it's given what I need to find out about this sooner. Like, it actually feels legit. It's not flimsy, they are quality products, and they're not even looking dodgy at all. If you're running a business, especially if you are a startup, this platform is great for you. You can source for materials, brand your products, and even find suppliers who are willing to customize your products for you. You can search, filter, compare quotes, and even chat with suppliers. It's like LinkedIn meets Amazon meets Alibaba. Do you get what I mean? But with a sleeker interface and less guesswork. This is where it gets interesting. You can request for samples before you bulk order, just like I did, and yep, they arrived. So whether you're launching a product line, upgrading your tools, or just looking for hidden gems, madeinchina.com is definitely the place to check out. It is your undiluted plug. I'll leave the link below. Go see for yourself and tag me if you find anything interesting. No gatekeeping. Happy shopping.
Alright, so that's it for this section of the video. I need to go ahead and start sorting these things out because it is hot. You guys can tell I am sweating. The weather today was terrible and the flies won't leave my house. Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.